In this video, I'm going to create a professional looking YouTube banner just like the one you can see in this video using a free online tool. The best part of this video is you will learn how to design YouTube channel banner for free, quick and very unique for your YouTube channel. The YouTube banner, also called YouTube channel art, is the one of the first impression of you to your audience. This step-by-step guide will help you create the professional looking YouTube banner for free. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video and share with your friends. All the links related to this video, you can find them in the description below. Now let's start creating the YouTube banner for free. Let's open a canva.com. If you don't want to save your design for a future use, you don't need to sign up for this design, but I would recommend log into the free account of Canva so you can save your design for a future edit. You can navigate to templates and navigate down to YouTube channel art. Canva have thousands of pre-made design, but the idea here is to create your unique custom kind of design from the existing one. Create a blank YouTube channel art. On the search bar, type colorful. This is exactly the design I used, but I don't want to have the same design as it is. So my design for the blog is totally different. It looks more like a peeling to the banner image, and I want to have some uniqueness in my color. So it can corresponding to the color brand I have for my banner. To change the color, we just click in this canvas and change the color. I have a sky blue in this side. I want to change this one to sky blue. The sky blue on the other side also. And the yellow on the side. This unique design on the underneath. And the sky blue on this one. A different blue. You can always play with this color. I want to rotate this one to upside down. 180 degree and drag this up all the way up till the text. The center of the text will be visible to all the devices. I would like to rotate slightly like this way and pull all the way down. Just like this. Let's change the color. I like this one. Maybe a little bit darker side of this. This color and everything you can play until you are satisfied with your design. And remember, this is the only part that will be visible on all devices. So bear in mind what exactly you want to show your user. So change the text with your design also. Click on this text under the elements. banner to our channel and see how does it look. To add a banner to your channel, you can simply go to customize channel. On the top, you have a layout, branding, and basic. If you go to branding, this is where you can change your profile picture, banner image, and video watermark. This time, we are going to change the banner image. This is how exactly is going to look TV when you go for a live streaming. And this is how exactly it's going to look in your desktop devices. And this is how exactly going to look in your mobile devices. Let's upload this one. Once you are done, click on done and publish. So your banner is live now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do like, comment, share with a friend. See you until next time.